سڵاوی خواتان لەبێ لە ڤیدیۆکی تاسە و هەروە لە پارتی چوارەمی یاری The Wolf Among Us گەڕاینەوە لاتە وما بوورن چەند شتێکمان کرد بەڵام ڕیکۆرد نەبوو بۆ بەڵام ئێستا ئەو شتانی ماوە تەواوی دەکەین زانین چی دەکەین ئەگەر دەتانێت تەواو لە چیرۆکی یاریگە تێبگەن ئەوە دەتوانن لە دیسکریپشن بەشی یەکەم و واتە پارتی یەکەم و دووەم و سێم دانراوە دەتوانن بڕۆن و سەردانی بکەن و تەواوی یاریەکە ببینن بۆی بەباشی یاریەکە تێبگەن بڕۆن تەماشا بکەن.
What kind of toy was it? Lord if I know, Big B, he has so many worthless baubles. I'm sure Junior's mocked the walls up as well with the gunk those toys carry. You bleeding? Why? His head's blood. Still fresh. Oh, well, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a wrap. Must have got some on the furnishments. Sounds painful. Oi! Don't you go mother-inning now. The wound didn't sit very long, you know. Perks have been a fable, I suppose. And a frog.
زين چیزی هەیە کە بتوانین ئاشکرا بکەین کە ئەمە کەتنێکی کردووە هەر خۆیان بە شتەکانەوە
On the poker? Yeah. What happened? Oh, well, that's how it happened, didn't it? I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing. Okay, Sheriff, now what? Oh, it's a fire eye in this all, you ponderous wanker. We're not playing 10 little Indians here. It's a simple accident. Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me? I mean, things happen, you know. No crime in a little accident. Something happened here, Toad. I'm not sure what exactly, but I know you're lying about something. But I'm not! And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act. I'm not bullshitting you. Honest. We'll see. Never been good with the feminine duties. Homebody stuff with my clumsy hands. Look, you want me out of here? I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on? Place needs a little brooming, that's all. I know something's off here, Toad. And I know you know I can't leave until I find out why. So can we please just skip to the end of the page before I have to get mean? I don't know what you want, Big B. There's nothing going on. There's just nothing to tell. Look around the room and see for yourself. Everything has its explanation, you'll see. Honestly, Toad, I don't know if I will. And I don't know if I've got the patience to reverse engineer whatever scheme this is. Big boy's in the other room, Big B. Come on now. We're friends, right? I mean, I called you here. Down! Jesus! You're gonna tell me, right now, what the fuck happened before we showed up? Big B! It even has the faintest whiff of bullshit. I'm gonna... Dad!
Bigby, is this really necessary?
Oh.
What is it? Is it hurt?
He's hiding something. Either something he knows or something he's kept, but I won't play any more games with him.
Dad? Oh my God.
Take off your hat.
Higby, you didn't...
He didn't. It was that butcher, a Tweedle, Dumody. You gotta strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. They come bulging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know. He tore up the place, beat me up when I said I didn't have it. I tried to go out the window, but he pulled me back in. It's been a hard morning, I can tell you that.
Do you know what he was looking for?
I have no idea. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy. I even tried to give the bastard a coat. He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows? I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish you, mate. They'll merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat now. If she has next of kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur. Fine bit of dress it is. No, I wouldn't wear it outside. Wait. It's an envelope. Fucking hell, of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence. Do you want to try and give it to him, or...?
Doesn't seem right opening another man's mail. Let's try and give it to him.
Okay.
Well, it's been quite a surprising day for all of us, hasn't it? I'd see you out, but I'm afraid of dripping any more blood in the place.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks. See ya.
هیچ من اتهام نزنم دلم زن نمشیه یعنی چی بکنیم
I'll be honest, Bigby, I don't really know how to feel about what happened in there.
We got what we came for. Some information. He'll be all right.
So, the prince's now?
Lawrence's, yeah. It's our best lead.
Our only lead, really.
When you put it that way.
اگر زندگی بلایی شازده که قرار بود پارتی کش کتایی که تیهایی بزرگ که بچین بلایی ام واقع یاخد بلایی شازده.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay?
اون داور پارتین لایو
Just humor me.
شازده.
Let's just keep our focus on questioning Lawrence. Where she was, who she was with, that sort of thing.
پیاوەکەم Bugün bugün video diyorum. Bugün piyavam video. Güzel.
Oh my god.
Go get Dr. Swinehart. I'll stay with him.
No! Let me go.
What is it that you're telling us? Bigby, water. Kitchen.
Plenty of sunshine here today with seasonal temperatures reach our normal highs later.
Did you find it yet? If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
Is this about Faith? Faith.
Whatever stuff, it's really good. What's it called in English? It sounds just like
Do you still have that letter?
Yes.
Should I open it? I'm not sure if it's right.
You should. There might be something that helps us. A clue. Or a lead.
I need to know.
What does it say?
I'm sorry, Faith. It's only 2 words, but he died without seeing them. I'm sorry, too. We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
I feel better pretending that they're not naked. What? Oh, I said it. He's only a great guy, and it's not available in any store. Acting out to start playing with folks, Sam and Max today.
What is it?
This gun wasn't fired recently. Maybe a week ago. Or more.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the grip and the trigger.
What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
That doesn't really help.
I love French bread.
The mirror showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. It's sharp, and there's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why would someone want to kill him?
Strange. Hard edge to this pool, like Something was here and got moved. Still a little sticky. Bullet passed through the chair. Yeah, the angle works if he shot himself.
When do you think that was taken?
Before all this.
O zaman Fezani bu yukarıda.
Son of a... It stuck to the bed a little. My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Hopefully they're together now.
And this island is jam-packed with the loosest objects in waiting at your hands on. That now, and in addition to
Dusty. No one's read these in a while.
and what's with these guys? As always, this one center with no
Stay here.
No!
ليه يا اخوي حشاقة استعدوا يا
Hey! Stop! Leave me alone!
in serio? أنا اسمع باش مجربتنا.
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here. You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. Why? Did you run? What? Why did you run? Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do? A man's dead. I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that. Then who did?
Look, I was just asking him about the girl, that's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know? Shit. Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man. You're looking for the woodsman, right? I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the drip trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions too. Who's your employer? A can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you understand?
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on. You're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Don't worry. It still is. Come on.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier for you
No,
to...
I'm D.
He's dumb.
چیه دیده نبون اما شیه بون
He almost looked peaceful.
Yep.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley
Yep.
with an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep. What happened?
Well, the one guy hit you, then the other one started kicking you.
Explains the ribs.
Then they jumped into a car and drove off. Come on, get up. Guess we're out of options.
Dee mentioned the trip trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab. Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right. Bigby, be honest with me. Who do you think did this? I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind.
The woodsman. He had the motive. He had the means.
You sound so sure that he's guilty.
I think he is. At the very least, he's guilty of hitting that girl and coming after me with an axe. The way I see it, he's getting off light. I'm dragging his sorry ass out of there and throwing him in a cell. We'll figure out the rest later.
This side of you scares me sometimes.
You're
I wish
doing
there
a
was-
really...
Sorry.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's nothing. I just... Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do. This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
Crane is the one to blame here, not you.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time. I'm more to blame than anyone.
You'll fix it.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away. Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
You should stick it out. There are fables that would give up a lot to be in the position you're in, and I think it's easier to change something from the inside.
You're telling me change comes from within.
Sure.
Not the advice I imagined hearing from you.
I'm full of surprises.
Maybe you should handle this one.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Bigby. Just be careful, please.
یەکی
The same goes for you.
I will.
ئەمجا ڕەبەتەنیارە ئەمجا ڕچونە ناو باڕەکە بزانین چێ بڵێ
What do you want, Sheriff?
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Nope. And he doesn't tell me when to tell you to fuck off.
دەمانێت لێرە کوتای بە ڤیدیۆکە بین هیوادارم ڤیدیۆتان بەدڵ بێت و هەروە لایک و سەبسکرایبتان بینەچێت چاوەڕوان بن تا پارتی پێنجەمی یاریەکەش هەر شاد بن خواتان لەگەڵ